They don't have the wet cements, but they got the military blue 4s? What the hell? Checking back the Jordan section. They still have the Afrobeat 7s? They still got these 6s. They do have the men's here. They got 20% off anything with a blue tag. They don't have any of the bigger sizes. Dang it. Dang it. Stopping by a mall in Northern Cali. I think I'm in Concord. Guess we're starting with the Shoe Palace. Do they still got the 4s? The day after release? And at this location, no, the 4s did not last. They got the military blue 4s. What the hell's going on here though? The hell is going on here? They don't have the wet cements, but they got the military blue 4s? What the hell? They got the wrong 4s here. They got the wrong 4s. That's crazy. That is crazy. This is a size 11, so it is a good size. Fits plenty of y'all. Fits plenty of y'all. Ain't no size 16 or size 7. Does have the Nike Air on the back. And I swear the plastic, I don't know, maybe it's in my head. I swear the latest releases, the plastic does tend to be softer. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I haven't worn my 4s in a while. I don't know. But yeah, they do got these. And these are $215. This place, they still have the green bean 5s. Are these gonna go on sale here? Definitely surprised. This is what, 11 and a half. Got the Lucky Greens going for $180. They have a lot of stuff that most other stores don't have. I don't remember most stores having the PSG 312, Legacy 312 still. Multiple Jordan 1 low OGs here. But no, they do not have the 4s that just released, the wet cements. They do have the Olympic colorway of the Air More Tempos. What are these up to now? 180 now? I remember when they were 160 not so long ago. 165 for these. That wasn't too long ago. They got the Griffies? They got the wheat Griffies still? What the hell is going on? 170 for these. Pennies down to $90. They got stuff that I haven't seen in too many spots. Stuff's either moving hella slow or hella fast, so they move them to this location. I don't know. Checking back the Jordan section. They still have the Afrobeat 7s? What the hell? I haven't seen these in forever. Haven't seen these in a while either. The 9s. Oh no, I did see them one recently. I saw one of these recently, and then they still got these 6s. Like I feel like they got stuff that other spots don't. I don't know what's going on here. I was like, are these the off-whites? I think these are the same color as the off-whites that I have at home. That's funny. I was like, what? Do got a chic here. They still got that 20% off. Already reduced prices. Just says kids footwear though. They do have the men's here. They do have the men's here. Look at this, size 9. Do got them the next day. Do got them the next day. I wanted to drive around LA, but I wasn't able to. I did have to come out to Northern California for the day for work. So I stopped by a bunch of stores out here. And yeah, they do got the men's. They do got the men's. That's crazy. Of course, first thing I did look to see if they have these. The biggest one is a size 10. So I'm gonna have to go back to LA and look around there. See who got one of these. Size 11. But yeah, they only have up to size 10 here. So yeah, 20% off anything with a blue tag. Includes these Air Max 90s. These Air Max 90s right here as well. So under $100. I was like, aren't these the same ones, man? They trying to juke us, man. What the hell? Air Max 97s right here. Seen waffle dunks. That brings these down to $85. I'll have to check to see what's up with these. Nah. I'm gonna have to get one of those though. Dang it. Jumbo dunks right here for $80. Can't see the price here, but you go down here, $90. So that's even cheaper, man. That's even cheaper. 20 bucks off. Pretty much 20 bucks off. Got some mids right here. Got Forces, gum bottoms down to 90. Got these for 80. 100 for the all red ones. Black with gum right here down to 90. Remember, you do get an extra 20% off. Dang it. Includes these Jordans. I did grab these bad boys here when they were 70 and then an extra 20 off. Pretty much same as some of the outlets, even with their 40 off. Maybe I should get my kiddo these right here. I'm gonna have to talk to him about what shoes to get him. 135 brings it close to 100. Or maybe these. Maybe these. I don't think he likes high tops though. I guess I should find his school colors too, because he's gonna have to wear uniform school. Maybe I can make sure I can match a few things with his uniform. And that drops these down to $120. $120 for these. That's the cheapest we've seen those. The Fear 3s. And this one's even bigger, so they got sizes. They do got sizes. And then this spot still has these. This is a crazy size. Size 15. That's why they still got those. I was like, damn, dude, I haven't seen them ginger 14s in a while. Holy cow, look at this in the women's section. Holy cow, really? 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 Another 20% off? That's crazy. I'm gonna go see what the biggest size. I already know they're not gonna have a huge size of this one, but I'll ask. Yeah, they don't have any of the bigger sizes. Dang it. Dang it. Man, if your girl, she likes Cortezes, man, that's what, $24? 24 bucks? Holy cow. Almost dunks. Almost dunks. Got some Court Burrows going for 50 right here. Got these in the Great School right here going for 50 as well. Some Wheat Forces right here, not bad. Great School going for 50. Air Max 90s, man, they're letting everything go hella cheap. Hella cheap. LeBron's right here going for 70. These are all Great Schools. They got some steel. Seeing if they have any other Nikes on sale. Not really. Dang it. Did miss these Jordans right here. Legacy 312s. That brings it down to 40. And then that brings these down to a little over 45. Probably like 46. I don't know. They also have a couple of Yeezy 350 boots. I think that's the bone, and then I don't know, the stone. Fuck, I don't know. They have weird names for the colors. I don't know. But they got these here. They got two men's. This is the kids, but they charge the men's. They charge the men's prices. We also got Hello Kitty Crocs on steroids. By Crocs, I mean Adidas clogs. Man, they just totally bit the design of the Crocs. Huh? Damn, dude. They got the McDonald's, the Birdie, whatever the hell the Birdie one is. Got Crocs. They got the SpongeBob, the Patrick. Then this is the Star Wars one, right? Yep. There's Vader right there. These are going for premium though. Oh, these are 50. Oh, because they're not the regular Crocs. That's right. These are all going for 70. And that's kind of weird. They're already closed. They're the only store closed right now. What the hell? This Champs right here, this ain't closed. It's right across the way. What the hell? And as I've mentioned lately, like, Champs ain't been getting any love from Foot Locker or from the Flex brand at all with Jordan releases. But yeah, I've seen these at a few spots lately. That's crazy. Maybe I just haven't noticed they're around. I do got the Baron Jordan 1 Low OGs. I am a fan of these. Maybe I can get this for my kid. Maybe I can get this for him. This matches with almost anything. Pretty decent leather. You know, it's not too expensive, so if he jacks it up, he jacks it up. Maybe I should grab those. Damn, I don't know why I didn't think about that before. I saw these at the outlets. I don't know if I saw a 9.5 though, but damn, I need to check the outlets for that for one. But yeah, so none of the Jordan 4 wet cements here. And I'm telling you, it's hard to hit up the Flex stores now, man, after hitting up the Foot Locker outlet, getting crazy steals. And that includes a lot of these mellows. We've seen a ton of these mellows and scoots at some of the outlets. By outlets, I mean the Foot Locker outlets, because we've seen these at the Puma outlets, and they were taxing. They're pretty much just as expensive as here, and it's like, really? But the Foot Locker's getting rid of them for hella cheap. That includes both of these. I've seen both of these colorways at the Foot Locker. 50% off these prices right here. I just saw this one, and if I haven't released that video, y'all will see it within the next 2 days. Milpitas, they had these going for 50 bucks. Seen these at Ross a million times going for 50 bucks. I want to say I've seen that colorway at Ross. That one right there. And to be honest, not too many other ones, to be really honest. They had the black one with the speckle on it. Back to school shopping, definitely in season, definitely in effect. I think the store with the best prices right now, Chic, as well as the Foot Locker outlet. If you guys got a Foot Locker outlet, Champs outlet, hit those up. Like, really? Like, really, dog? Come on now, man. Really? Y'all know what the hell I'm pissed off at, too. Come on now, dog. Really? People are getting scammed like that. Really? Really? I just want to stay here and just continue to say that. Really? I got at least this one, like, you know, it's a little better, but $70? I'm gonna slap you guys if you guys spend $70 on these, man. Come on now, dude. Come on now. Just stop by Ross. One or two of them, you'll find it for hella cheap. Another Foot Locker special right here. Been seeing those for hella cheap. By Foot Locker outlet, I mean Foot Locker outlet. Of course, we have to hit up Foot Locker. Is this the last store here? AC not working here. They got the fan working extra hard. Holy crap, it's hot as hell in here. Rest of the mall, yeah, the AC was definitely working. We got retros. They got retros, but nothing too crazy, to be really honest. Looks like they got more and more of the Lowe's colorways. I don't really remember. I don't really remember seeing these. 115 for these. These are the regular non-SEs. This one might be an SE right here. It's 125. Black and white with a gold hit on that one. This one feels like an SE at 125. For this one, 115 for this plasticky looking thing. Oh, this is an SE? This thing is plasticky as hell. What the hell? We got this green and white one right here. Feels okay. Yeah, this one feels a little bit better. And got the mids right here. We've been seeing both of these on sale everywhere. And they got black and a white one. That'll match with anything. Luca 2s. We've seen these for hella cheap at certain spots. $60 right here. That might be the cheapest we've seen them. That might be the cheapest we've seen them, excluding the outlets. The outlets, Foot Locker outlet, we've seen them for hella cheap. Made me wonder if I should just try one just to try one. Dang, these aren't on sale? I thought these were on sale everywhere. What the hell? But yeah, I got a couple of Legacy 312s on sale. Not one LeBron on sale? Really? The flex stores are tripping. Tripping, really? We've seen these for so cheap. I just saw those at the outlets for $60. Like, these are going for regular price here? $2? Why are people at Foot Locker? Chic and Shoe Palace, they've been having sales. People are still in here. Why? They got these here. Damn, I could have used some of my points to grab them. This is the first time I've seen them at one of the flex stores. Maybe I should use some of my points to, I don't know. Maybe I might have to do that. I can get like, if I can use two, I can get $40 off maybe. I don't know. Can you use multiple, not coupons, multiple the gift cards? Can you use that on one item? I don't know. They do have the AE1 lows right here, and like I feel like they should have more colorways. Like if this is really that hot, they should be moving a ton of them. This does have light boosts on these bad boys, and it is the low. And yeah, these have been moving, dude. These have gotten some hype. I'm happy for Adidas. These definitely have not gotten the hype. The hell are these? Crazy Infinities? What the hell? They just pretty much just stole that design, try to put a zipper on it. Like, what the hell? Nobody gonna want this. Even these haven't been moving as well as they should. Like, really? Really? These really do lack a lot of ventilation. I think that's one of the big things, and people don't like that spaceship look. I hope they come out with the 2s. I want the crazy 2s, the Kobe 2s. I want those. The one where it's all covered up. I really want those. But I think it's just me. I don't think most people really like them like that. But yeah, they do have a lot of sales tags, just slight sales, nothing too crazy. You know, maybe if some of this stuff goes down, maybe worth getting. Ultra Boost 110, 130 right there. Got suedes down to 40, but we saw these for 20. We saw them for 20 at the Foot Locker outlets. 60 right here. We saw these for like what, 30 or 40. I think they were 30, maybe 35. We got Mellows on sale. Got Chucks right there. Jordan 3s right here. Apparently these released early in LA. I was looking at the comments. I don't know when the release date for kids sneakers are, but apparently these released in LA. They've been out for a few weeks now, but apparently the release date was just recently. Do have Sabrina's on sale and do have multiple colorways, not too bad. These are all women's pairs. Do got Dunk. What are these? The Dunk Twist. Dunk Twist that are on sale. Got the plastic pieces. And then got grade school section right here. Got some sales, but not too crazy. Got the Emerald 4 in the grade school. What are these retros? Did I miss these? Why? How do I not recognize these? I don't remember the two-tone. I remember a gray one, but I don't remember a two-tone like this. This is a Jordan 14 release. This is grade school. All right, since I did cover the Jordan 4 the day after release, I'm gonna push this video up forward, and I'll give you guys some highlights of some of the videos that are gonna be coming up this week. I got 5 different videos coming out this week, so stay tuned to get a little preview of that. And I gotta go to the airport, man. I gotta get the hell out of here. I don't think this video was very long, but I gotta go. But right now, Chic does seem to have the best deals. Check out your local Chics. I think their sale might be going on another week because it is a back to school event. So make sure you guys check them out. I think they have the best deals right now. Shoe Palace is right there close to them, and then everybody else is kind of right there. Nike Outlet's also great, 40% off at most of the spots. Yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys stay till the end of this video so you guys can see some of the highlights for this week. And man, yeah, I got plenty coming up, you guys. Got plenty coming. Back in the Bay Area, Nike Outlet Livermore. LeBrons, they're down to $100, 40% off, so they're down to $60. Nike by You, this is fire. And the price even better. And they even have the Wizards Jordan 3 right here in a grade school. Still out in NorCal. Oh, I've never seen these in person. Oh, okay, these are pretty thick. These are an 8.5. I might just realize this whole area right here, all Stella McCartney. Do have a New Balance. What a trip here. Look at this. Seeing collabs that I've never seen before. Got tons of shoes that are made in England as well as the US. Also seeing skate shoes right here. These are the 1010s right here. 990s in multiple colorways, as well as different sizes, all on the back wall. Great mall in Milpitas. Got LeBron 2s, the cheapest we've ever seen these. Dude got the SB Dunks, but sometimes you can find some really big steals. Look at this. At the Great Mall. They got a Foot Locker outlet. Let's go. Damn, that means these are freaking, what, $65? 65 bucks? Oh, whoa. These are 35 bucks. Alright, I got them for 20 bucks, dude. 20 freaking dollars.